Hello guys, in this video we are gonna talk about how to make Cafe Rio house dressing. So the ingredients that they have disclosed right here is the Hidden Valley Ranch dressing mix, so traditional flavor, not the buttermilk one, mayonnaise, and best foods is the one best version that I can find, buttermilk, tomatillos, and then right here, fresh cilantro, lime, and jalapeno peppers. So those are the ingredients that you would want. So basically, let's just dive into the recipe right here. So let's just check it out. So there you go. Oh wait, here, it's here. So there. So the prep time for this is 10 minutes and the course is for dip, so it's a Mexican Spanish type of cuisine and it has 16 servings when it comes to your ranch dressing. So the total time it will take is around 1 hour and 10 minutes with refrigeration. So you will also need the blender if you do have one. So you will need 1 ounce packet of the Hidden Valley Ranch and 1 cup of Best Foods mayonnaise, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 tomatillos husked and diced, 1/2 bunch fresh cilantro, fresh, and 1 clove of garlic that's already peeled, 1 table or teaspoon fresh lime juice, 1 jalapeno, and the stem is removed. So let's just check right here. So the instructions for this is, so let's actually check out the photos. So you'll have to add the ingredients to the blender first and then blend until smooth, and then you'll have to chill for an hour. And there you go, serve it as a dressing, as a dip for veggies and your chips. And it's just that simple. You combine all the ingredients into a blender and use it and then chill it, and then once it's done, it's a dressing for salad over veggies and chips. And it's just that simple to make Cafe Rio's house dressing.